Today, in this video, you will learn how to create a WordPress blog within 10 minutes. It does not matter what your profession is. Maybe you want to create a personal blog like my blog, which is digitcrafter.com, or maybe you want to create related to your cooking profession, or maybe you want to create blog related to traveling. This video will guide you to create a WordPress blog, and believe me, this method is easiest and quickest. After creating this blog, I will show you its performance and speed in Google PageSpeed Insights. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button on this video. That will help me to make more and more videos on WordPress tutorials, digital marketing, making money online, SEO, and much more. So without wasting more time, let's begin our tutorial. So what are the main things you need to start your WordPress blog? There are mainly three things. Number one is a domain name, which will be your blog name. Second one is a web hosting account. And number three is your continuous attention to this video. If you watch this complete video, you will create your own blog within less than 10 minutes and start writing articles for your blog within a few minutes. So to build your WordPress blog, very first step you need to have a domain name, and the best places to get a domain name is Namecheap, GoDaddy and name.com. However, my favorite domain registrar is Namecheap. If you go to namecheap.com, you can see .com domain is only available for $5.98, and if you renew your domain after 1 year, they will charge you only $13.98 per year, and that will start from the second year. And the second domain registrar is GoDaddy, where you can get .com domain only for $12.17, and that is only for the first year. From second year, they will charge you $22.17, and most importantly, they will charge you for domain protection separately, and its cost is $11.99 per year. But if you go to Namecheap, they will charge you nothing for domain protection. You can get domain privacy free forever with your domain. Now the third domain registrar is name.com, where you can get .com domain only for $11.99, and the same can be renewed after 1 year for only $16.99. Now it is your choice, either you want to buy a domain name from Namecheap.com, GoDaddy or name.com. All these three domain providers are best in the market. However, my recommended domain registrar is Namecheap, and the main reason is Namecheap provides you cheap price for your domain, and you can get free domain protection for your domain. And most importantly, if you are going to buy a domain from namecheap.com for the first time, don't forget to use this promo code, which is newcom598. After applying this promo code, you will get domain only for $5.98. Once you buy your domain name, next step is getting your web hosting account. You can get your web hosting account from the same company from where you are getting your domain name, that is Namecheap or GoDaddy, or you can go to hostinger.com, where you can get web hosting only for $2.99 per month, but that is only for the first month. When you renew your web hosting account, they will charge you $7.99 per month, around $8 per month. However, please keep in mind, if you are serious to start your blog, I suggest you to go for VPS hosting, because it's faster and very reliable as compared to shared hosting. And my recommended VPS hostings are Cloudways and Contabo. You can also buy VPS hosting from Namecheap, GoDaddy and Hostinger. But Cloudways and Contabo specifically provide VPS and cloud hostings. So I have tested all VPS hostings, and in my experience, Cloudways and Contabo performs better in terms of VPS and cloud hosting. If you need to read more about Cloudways, you can go to my website digitcrafter.com, where you can read more about Cloudways, such as its features, pricing and pros and cons. Similarly, if you want to read about Contabo, you can read their detailed review on my blog that explains about their pricing and features. But for this tutorial, I am going to use Cloudways, which is my recommended VPS hosting. And Cloudways monthly plan starts from $11 per month. And believe me, it's super fast. On Cloudways, you can host your website using DigitalOcean servers, AWS or Google Cloud. Now let me show you how you can create a WordPress blog within a few minutes. As I told you, I am going to use Cloudways web hosting to build my WordPress blog. You don't need to pay anything to Cloudways for the first 3 days. you can create your free account without using credit card. So if you want to test their features, just go to cloudways.com, create your account, and if you are satisfied, you can upgrade your account after 3 days. So to create your account, click on Start Free. Here you need to enter your details to create your free account. Now that I have already created my account, so I am going to log in into my account. After creating your account, you will have this screen. Here you can deploy your WordPress application and your server simultaneously. Just for your information, let me show you that I host all my applications, all my websites on cloudways.com. As you can see here that all my websites are hosted on Cloudways. Now if you watch my videos or read my blog, you know that I always recommend things that I have already tested. Now let's get back to the main screen. Here you need to select your WordPress version, which is already selected 6.2.2. Next you need to name your application. For example, I am going to name it Learn with Zubair and name the server as DOLWZ. If you want to go with AWS or Google Cloud Platform, it's your choice. But DigitalOcean is cheaper than AWS and Google Cloud. So I'm going to select 1 GB server and next select the location. So here you need to select the location that is nearest to your region. In my case, I am going to select New York and next click on Launch Now. Now within 5 to 6 minutes, Cloudways will add your server along with your WordPress application. You can see here our server is configured and we have an application, WordPress application linked with our server. Click on this WordPress application and here is our access panel. Let's see what is the look of our WordPress application. Here is the URL. Okay, click on this arrow. This is the sample page of our WordPress application. Now to convert this layout into a blogging layout, we need to add a WordPress theme. So to configure your theme, you need to go to your WordPress admin panel. Here is the link, click on this arrow. Enter here your username and password, which you can get from your access details from Cloudways. Here is your username, copy this and paste it here. Next you need to copy your password and paste your password here. Click on login. So friends, this is our WordPress admin dashboard. To add your theme, go to Appearance and click on Themes. Here, click on Add New Theme. And next you need to install a free theme, which is Cadence. They also have their paid versions, but their free version is more than enough for your blogging website. So I'm going to choose Cadence and click on Install and then click on Activate. After activating your theme, click on Install AI Starter Templates. After activating Starter Templates, you need to click here, Use Classic Starter Templates. Here you will find a long list of paid and free templates by Cadence. Suppose you want to create WordPress blog related to your cooking profession. And for this, I will search a special template related to cooking. So click on this search icon and write here food. And I am going to select this template. Click on this template. Here select your preferred color style. For example, I am going to select this one and next you need to choose your font styles. For example, I am going to click this one and then click on this next button. Here you need to make sure that you have selected import full site option and here under advanced settings both options are enabled and then click on next button. Now click on this finish and launch button and click on then start import. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes to configure your cooking blog. Here we have the success message. Click on this button, see my site. And friends, here is our cooking blog that is built on WordPress. Next, we need to white label this cooking blog, and that is we need to change some menu items. We need to add our blog name. And moreover, we can change this banner here. We can change this text and button and display a different blog articles here. So to white label this blog, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. Here click on Appearance and next click on Customize. Now here we are going to customize our WordPress blog. If you hover your mouse cursor to any widget, you will see a blue pencil here. For example, if you need to customize your menu items, you can click on this blue pencil icon and then you can change layout and design of your menu here. But if you need to rewrite these menu items, you need to go to Appearance and then click on Menu Items. Here you can change or add your menu. So after changing your menu items, I am going to change blog name here. Click on this blue pencil here and it will take you to your site identity option. Here you can add logo for your WordPress blog. Click on this select logo and here I am going to select this one and click on select, skip, cropping, and you can see here our WordPress blog logo is added here. Next, go down and change your site title here. For example, I am going to name my blog Green Kitchen. Next, you need to add tagline. Here in tagline, you need to add a little description about your WordPress blog. For example, for this Green Kitchen blog, I am going to add this tagline here: homemade healthy recipes. Next, click on this site icon and choose your required icon here. That may be your logo or any other image. And then click on this change image, and I am going to use same image, that is my logo here. Okay, click on this image and click on select, and then click on this publish icon here. After publishing our changes, we need to change our banner here and the text over this banner. To do this, go to your home page and click on this edit page. Here in blog editor, you can change graphics and text on your home page. For example, I am going to change this banner here. Click on this banner here and then click on this style button and then click on this edit image. You can upload a new image here or you can use an existing one. For example, I am going to use this one and click on select. You can see the banner image is changed on our home page. Next, change this text here. For example, I am going to write here healthy recipes. Similarly, you can change other graphics and text on your home page. All your blog articles will show up here. Now, after making the changes to your images and text, click on this update. Now, let's see what is the new look of our WordPress blog. You can see here text and image are replaced with the new one. Now, let me show you how you can add your first blog article that will show up here in this section. To add your first article to your blog, go to your WordPress dashboard. Next, click on add new post. Now, add your article title here. And next, add some text. If you need to add headings such as H2, H3 and H4, press enter and click on this plus icon. Next, click on this heading. Add your first heading here. For example, I am going to write introduction, which is H2 heading. And next, I am going to add some text here. Similarly, you can add H3 heading under H2. Press enter, click on this plus icon, click on headings and change H2 to H3 heading and write some text here. Now I am going to add a feature image to my article. Click on this post and next click on this set featured image. You can upload a new image here or select an existing one. For example, I am going to select this one and click on set featured image. Before publishing our article, we need to see the changes, that how it may look on front end. For this, click on this laptop icon here and click on preview in new tab. So friends, this is our first article that we are going to publish on our WordPress blog. You can add more articles by following this example here. Another thing, if you need to add categories or tags to your WordPress blog, you can add them here. Click on categories and you can assign category to your blog article. For example, I am going to select Italian and then click on this publish button. Click again on publish button. So friends, our first article is published. To view your article, click on this view post. So friends, our article is published and you can see here, this is its category and its title. Here is its published date and author name, and below is the article content. Now this article will also show up on your home page. If you go to your home page and click this refresh button, you can see here that our first article is visible here. Similarly, you can publish other articles just like this one. If you need to delete other articles that are the part of this WordPress theme, you need to go to WordPress admin dashboard and click on this post icon, click on all posts, and here you can delete all these posts here. Click on this checkbox and I'm going to unselect this one. Now click on bulk action and click on move to trash and click on apply. Now we have only one article here. To verify the changes, go to your home page and refresh it. Here you can see all other posts are vanished. Now an important feature that your WordPress blog must have is subscription form, which is already available in this theme. If you go down at this home page, you will see a subscription form here. This subscription form is very important. By using this form, you can get email addresses of your target audience. For example, if you go to one of my blog articles, you can see at the end of every blog article, I place a subscription form. When you start collecting email addresses of your target audience, you need to keep your audience engaged with your WordPress blog. And in this way, you will have frequent traffic to your WordPress blog. Now to change the other pages of your website such as about, contact or other customized pages, follow the same method that I have used for the home page. Now you may have question in your mind that how to change this web address into your domain name, because Cloudways, like other cloud hosting providers, does not provide domain registration. If you have purchased your domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy or any other domain registrar, you need to point your domain to Cloudways hosting. For example, I am going to point this domain learnwithzubair.com to my this cooking blog. So to connect your domain with your hosting, go to your domain registrar. In my case it is Namecheap, and change the IP address here under a record with your server IP provided by Cloudways, which you can find in your Cloudways dashboard. This is your public IP address. Copy this public IP address and go back to your domain management and paste this IP address here. Click on this check icon. After changing a record, go back to your Cloudways admin panel and click on this domain management option. Add your primary domain here, in my case which is learnwithzubair.com, and click on add domain. Again add your www version of your domain and click on this add domain. Next I am going to set this domain my primary domain. Click here and click on make primary. Set as primary. After setting your primary domain, next go to SSL certificate. Under SSL management, add your email address. Next add your primary domain name here and also add www version of your domain, and then click on install certificate. Now this process may take a few minutes or a few hours depending on your domain registrar, but in case of Namecheap it may take only a couple of minutes. Friends, you can see here our SSL certificate is installed for our domain learnwithzubair.com. For SSL certificate, make sure that auto renewal is on. Now after configuring your domain management and SSL certificate, go back to your access details and you can see here our domain is updated here. Our new domain name is learnwithzubair.com, and if I click on this arrow, it will take to my domain learnwithzubair.com. Friends, you can see here our cooking blog is successfully connected with our domain learnwithzubair.com. Once your WordPress blog is ready, next thing is you need to configure some WordPress plugins to increase the performance of your WordPress blog. So the very first plugin you need to configure is a cache plugin. Go to your plugins page on your WordPress admin panel, write cache in search. You can install any cache plugin for your WordPress blog, but for this blog I have installed a specific cache plugin which is WP Rocket, and it is a premium plugin. But if you want to use a free cache plugin, you can go with Lightspeed cache plugin or with W3 Total cache plugin. After configuring cache plugin in your WordPress blog, next thing is you need to install a SEO plugin. Right here SEO, and you will find many popular SEO plugins here. For your WordPress blog, you can use Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO plugin. Both SEO plugins are amazing, but for my websites and blogs I use Rank Math SEO plugin. Now the third plugin is a security plugin which is WordFence. Don't forget to install this WordFence security plugin if you really want to protect your website from hackers. After configuring these plugins, your WordPress blog is ready. Now the final step is to test your blog for performance and speed on PageSpeed Insights. Go to this website and enter your domain name and click on Analyze. This PageSpeed Insights provided by Google will scan your website for performance issues. And here is the performance report of our WordPress blog, that how it may perform on mobile devices. And similarly, it will provide you performance issues related to your WordPress blog for the desktop devices. And you can see here that the performance of our WordPress blog on desktop devices is 96, which is, in my opinion, is extraordinary, because we did nothing to improve the performance of our WordPress blog. Now this performance of our WordPress blog is the result of using a VPS hosting. You can get this performance by using a shared hosting, and the other factor is using a well-structured WordPress theme. So to sum up, if you are going to create your WordPress blog, I suggest you to use VPS hosting and a well-structured WordPress theme. If you focus on these two factors, you will get a high performance for your WordPress blog in PageSpeed Insights. So friends, this is the easiest and quickest method to build your WordPress blog. If you are going to use hosting other than Cloudways, you can use the same method to create your WordPress blog. Believe me, it's very easy. You need to practice a few things and you will be able to successfully create your WordPress blog within a few minutes. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you need any assistance to create your WordPress blog, just comment below in this video. I shall be more than happy to provide you my assistance. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button on this video. See you next time. Take care and bye.